I fuck with shawty cause she bout her business, ayy. She independent and she on a mission, ayy. Been through some shit but now it's better living.
What's up, Flavor Squad? It's your girl Fashionisha here to give you all the flavor. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below hashtag Flavor Squad. If you are not new here, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys a day in the life. I was gonna do this video tomorrow, but I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow. So today is the best day for that. First of all, I have to clean this room because after that last video, it's a little chaotic, especially this closet. Let me show y'all. Look at this closet. Look at it. See, this why we gotta take our time getting ready, because stuff like that happened. Trying to get ready in 5 minutes, that's what happened. So yes, I have to clean that up first and foremost. Then I'm just gonna straighten up the rest of my room a little bit. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna straighten up out here. And I need to go get some wrapping paper, gift bags, things of that sort for Christmas gifts. And then I have to come back and record some content for the week. So I need to hurry up and get this cleaning done so that I can head out to the store and get back so I can get to work. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I cleaned my closet. It looks 10 times better. Everything is off the floor and off the little bench and put up. Actual room is clean, floor clean, desk clean, everything is back where it's supposed to be. So now I'm probably about to head out to the store to pick up a few things that I need to pick up. I think I'm gonna make a list first of everything that I need to pick up and everything that I need to do today. I love using this little notepad. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it below for you guys. But I got it from Amazon and it has priorities, to do, schedule, and today's achievements, and a little notes card in the corner. I really like this. It just helps me organize what the heck I got going on when I'm doing a lot in one day. So today is one of those days, and I'm just gonna write my to-do list down, and I'll probably see you guys when I'm getting ready to get in the car. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm finally headed out. Had to make me a, coffee, got me a little snack. because my stomach was yelling at me. It was being rude. I got my Nature Valley granola bars, peanut flavor for my snack. I love these, y'all. I can eat these all day. My friends be joking on me because I like granola bars, but listen, they good and they're a little healthy. So I decided I'm gonna go to 2 stores. I'm gonna go to Ulta and then I'm gonna go to Walmart. I really don't want to go to Walmart. I would rather go to Target, but if I go to Target, I'm gonna do too much. Walmart, I just want to get in and out, so we're just gonna go to Walmart instead. So yeah, let's go. We gotta get this stuff done so I can get back and get content done, okay? Okay, I made it to Ulta. Let's go in. Okay, y'all, so I got everything that I needed to get from Ulta. Now I'm probably about to head to Walmart. I don't know. I'm probably gonna head to Walmart now. Freaking hate that place. But whatever. So yeah, I'm about to go there. I could go to... No, I'm going to Walmart. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm finally back home. But before we get into what I got at the store, we gotta change this to 7 because we got 7 days left. 1 week away from Christmas. I cannot believe it. So I got some face wash. I got this putty bronzer by e.l.f. I've never used this, but I needed something for contouring, so hopefully that works. Got these lashes I've never used. Hopefully I like them. And I got my concealer. Toast is the color. And I also got this new foundation. I usually get 360, but I got 368 this time, so hopefully I like this. I don't know. Hoping for the best, you know. So now I'm about to get started making this content because, yeah, it's a lot. I gotta do like 2 videos and maybe 3 reels. So I need to go ahead and get started.
If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. If she knew, if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, she would probably leave you alone. Probably curse you out and unlovable. She'd be glad if she was gone. She wouldn't have to worry if she knew.
Okay, y'all, I finished my makeup. Now I'm just about to get started recording this video. I'm doing a lookbook, a holiday fashion lookbook, holiday outfits lookbook. So that's what I'm about to get started doing right now. Y'all, I also tried a new foundation color. Let me know if my makeup looks any different than it usually does. I think it does. It matches my true skin tone a little more. So I really like it. I think I'm feeling myself. I think I love this. Okay, so I'm about to get started filming my video.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Alright, y'all, I have taken me a shower, I ate some food, and now I'm about to sit here and wrap these gifts. Let me show y'all the tree though. I don't think I've shown you guys. Well, if you're on my Instagram, you've seen the tree, but this is our really pretty tree, our first tree in our new home. And I got this wrapping paper today. Goes perfectly with the decor. Got these really pretty gift bags, really pretty gift bows today. Walmart really had some good Christmas stuff. Like, I gotta give it to them. They did what they had to do on the Christmas stuff. So yeah, I'm about to sit here wrap these gifts. I'm so excited for Christmas. Christmas is 7 days away. I hope y'all got y'all shopping done. I know some people who aren't done shopping yet.
Don't do that.
These are some really cute gift bags. Look at them. Look at these really cute gift bags. These are so cute. I don't even know what I'm putting in here. Reversible gift wrap. I ain't never seen that before. That's fancy. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. It's cold, but the fire's blazing. So baby, let it snow. Ooh, let it snow. Okay guys, I finally finished wrapping the gifts. It was a struggle, but I got through it. The bags came in handy, and I think next year everybody getting bags. This is our tree. So cute. Look at all the nice gifts under there. These little bags are so cute, and the gift paper is so cute. So excited. I'm so excited to finally go home for Christmas. I might vlog for you guys. I'm not sure yet, but that's the end of this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed seeing a day in my life. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, wait, before you go, make sure that you guys check out the couples channel. We should have posted one video by the time, maybe 2 videos by the time that you are seeing this. So make sure you guys check the link down in the description box and check that out. That's all I have for you guys. May your curls pop and your girl never stop. Flavor Squad. I'm out of here.